Thank you for stopping by our channel today, and we appreciate your support. So you're thinking about nursing as a career, huh? Okay, I feel you. Great choice. Stay tuned and I will give you some tips and suggestions I use to graduate from nursing school and also pass the NCLEX, the boards, on the very first try. Remember to subscribe, it's free. Hit the like button and click on the notification bell for future video alerts. Okay, let's go. Let's do this.
What did you do first to begin your nursing career journey?
I researched. I went online. I looked up state college nursing programs versus private school nursing programs. And then I narrowed my options down to two. Also, I researched the NCLEX percentage passing results for each school, and that helped me to decide on what school I was going to go to, because I wanted to go to a school that had a high passing NCLEX board rate.
Were you able to visit any local nursing schools?
Yes, I was able to schedule appointments at each of the local nursing schools, and I met with the financial aid and nursing school advisors. And I was also fortunate enough to speak with several seniors at both schools that gave me the pros and cons of the nursing school program. So yes, I would say if you get an opportunity to visit any of the nursing schools, do so.
I heard nursing schools can be difficult. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, you heard nursing school is difficult? That is not a lie. Keeping it real, yes, it is. It is tough. The program is very, very challenging. Okay, let me keep it real. Let me put it this way. When I was a freshman in a nursing school program, there were over 50 students. By my senior year, only 7 of us met the completion of the nursing school criteria and was able to graduate. So it is tough, but you can do it. Stay focused, committed, dedicated, eliminate negative people, negative distractions. Make sure you have a study plan. You have to study every day, 3 to 4 hours at least, in between your classes, after your clinicals. You can do it. If you put the time in, you're going to reap good benefits. So hang in there. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Good luck to you.
Are nursing schools pricey?
Yes, some nursing school programs can be quite costly. Make sure you do your research. I found that private nursing schools were a lot higher than some of the state college nursing school programs, but do your research.
Which nursing courses were most challenging for you?
All of the courses were difficult for me, but to narrow it down, I would say pharmacology, med-surg 1 and 2, and of course dosage, which is a nursing math. Some of the schools do offer free tutoring, so you want to take advantage of that if you feel like you need extra help. This concludes part 1 of this audio video regarding tips and suggestions for nursing school. Please join us for part 2, where we go more into detail about how to complete the nursing school program and pass your NCLEX on the very first try. The link will be provided in the description box. And once again, we want to thank you very much for supporting our channel. And remember to click on the like button, subscribe, it's free, and turn on the notification bell so that you can receive future alerts for upcoming videos. Thank you.